Welcome to New Zealand.
Let's welcome all passengers recently arrived.
Welcome to Auckland, New Zealand. Ooh, it's raining. It's cold. It's so cold here. Mahangin sa labas. Ay! We are going to ride this super shuttle going to downtown. So this is our ride, and you can put your luggage here. So how much we're paying for this?
$25 each way for 2 people.
Okay. So you hear that, right?
See,
Less value door to door.
$20 per person. Look, there's another superstar.
Mhm.
So they're pretty regular.
It's raining. We are the last passenger to drop. So hopefully there's still a restaurant open here in our area because we are starving for dinner.
Oh, I thought you said a Watson's.
Watson's. Oh my goodness.
This is not raining.
Yeah. Since they are working in this area, they cannot park in front of the hotel, so we are going to walk a little bit. And here we are near to the Walmart and some other. Okay, here. Oh, that one. Okay.
Okay.
Now, see, we can't park outside because it's only one lane now.
I see.
And you get buses behind you. And,
Yeah, that makes
so-
sense to park
yeah,
over here.
So there's a good spot. So how many bus stoppers, they could even go there.
Okay.
But I would just wait. They might-
Finally, we are here to our hotel, President Hotel. So, Mr. President, this is our hotel.
Okay, press the intercom. See if the door is open.
Oh, there.
Step on that.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, welcome to our room. Wow, we have kitchenette again.
Here, put the key in the car. Put it in.
Okay. Where is the? Here's the arrow.
Just turn the light on. Turn the light on. Turn the light
Huh? So, kani da siya dili da ang card, my goodness. So na ako kitchen, dili kitchenette. And this is our room. Wow, we have a big bed.
Yeah.
Good. And then this is the bathroom. What's our view there, love?
No
We
view.
have TV.
No view.
No view? Parking lot?
Parking lot.
Let's see.
Parking lot.
Oh,
across the
parking
street.
lot. Okay, well, let's eat first. We're gonna
Let's go eat.
grab a food.
Let's go eat.
Complimentary. And we have a free breakfast tomorrow.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Now we're here at McDonald's.
And,
Ooh, big one.
big Angus bill. Ooh.
This is our breakfast. Bread here, jam, butter, cereal with milk and fruits with yogurt and 100% pure New Zealand apple juice. See, that's the and coffee.